As India prepares its upcoming budget, a mixed macro picture sets the stage. Big private investment remains elusive, while global uncertainties and volatile risk assets shape the current environment.
Economic trade-offs remain challenging, yet consolidation of government finances is set to continue. In this next report, we look at how India will look inwards with reforms for strengthening domestic economy amidst a volatile geopolitical backdrop. Take a look.
The Indian economy is doing well, but foreign investors have been selling Indian assets at a rate not seen in years. On February 1, India will unveil its annual budget that will put the country's ability to entice investors through accelerated economic reforms to the test. The key question for investors is, will the government turn towards long-term reforms or turn to temporary stimulus as it did last year? For now, India continues to face resistance from international investors. That is, despite the country's status as the world's fastest growing major economy. A fresh push for long-term reforms have not really helped. Those reforms include modernization of labor laws and the relaxation of regulations in the financial sector. Still, foreign investors have sold a total of $22.6 billion worth of Indian stocks since January 2025. Economists argue the budget should prioritize domestic economic reforms that attract more foreign investment. Their suggestions include simplifying customs regulation, which currently make doing business in the country challenging. Economists also caution against relying too much on the sugar high of recently announced tax cuts. They say any relaxation of fiscal policy would frighten away foreign investors and speed up the sell-off. The focus of spending will likely remain on long-term infrastructure projects that generate jobs. India is not likely to look at providing a quick boost to growth, despite the government's aim for a $5 trillion economy at the earliest. A Reuters report quoting official sources showed India's goal is to increase exports threefold by 2035. The budget is expected to focus on manufacturing and implementing structural changes instead of relying on large-scale investment. According to the Reuters report, the country aims to increase yearly goods exports to $1.3 trillion, accelerate economic growth by focusing manufacturing on 15 key industries including metals, labor-intensive leather production and high-end semiconductors. The allocation is likely to show 100 billion rupees or $1 billion to build infrastructure for about 30 manufacturing hubs across the targeted sectors, provide grants of $218 million for advanced areas such as chips and energy storage. This year, financial support to industries will likely be decided case by case. The plan is to replace the pre-budget fiscal packages of earlier schemes and use focused spending to rein in fiscal deficit. Business Bureau, WION World is One.